You are going to love the 2018 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, backup monitor, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.